Market is about to open. Traders, good morning. We've got four main candidates here. We've got Marvel, AVGO, CLSK, and XPEV. Not very huge movers for today, and the volume is not that great, and they don't have any kind of great news or earnings report that the stocks came out with today. They're just relatively weaker. They've gapped up. They've got good volume, okay to good volume. So that's why we have them as a candidate here, as candidates here. Main candidates for today though, AVGO and Marvel, especially AVGO. We've got Wayfair here, plays also gapping up today. Wayfair the same thing. So we're gonna see how they open and if they actually qualify to be traded for today. So, alright, let's have a green day. Thanks for watching. Today's Friday, don't forget that, so volume can be expected to be on the lower side, just like most Fridays are. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Marvel, first 1 minute candle, going to the downside. That's what we wanted to do. That's what we want to see in the first 1 minute, in the first couple of minutes. If we're trying to, if we're thinking to take a stock long or take a long position. And this yellow line, don't forget, this is like the all-time highs for Marvel. That's why I have it here. CLSK going higher. Volume 1.3 million on CLSK. XPEV, very low volume. Marvel and AVGO doing what we want them to do. Okay. Nvidia is also another strong stock for today. So a bunch of these chip makers are on the move. I believe it's because of AVGO. AVGO reported earnings yesterday. Okay, let's see AVGO. We've got high is 214, low is 211.66. Marvel, first 1 minute 1.4 million. Okay, we can take Marvel if it comes higher over 117.50. Marvel over 117.50 for now. CLSK we can take a short under 11.66. Okay, we're long AVGO, 200 shares, 212 stop loss, 214. We got it on what? 214.84. Wow, a little extended. So I'm looking for a quick stop loss 1175, 1160. Marvel, we're gonna take 200 shares now, and then we're gonna add 200 shares if it goes above the highs. 117.29 entry, 115, $2 stop loss. No. AVGO is trying. It's trying. NVIDIA. Okay, AVGO getting ready for a partial on AVGO. Let's see it move a little bit higher. Ah, come on, AVGO. Yeah, I got into my partial. You can do this, AVGO. See, this is what happens. Like, you should take your partial as soon as you get it. Usually when this happens now, I have to go through a pullback, which I'm really not fond of. Market, both markets going higher. We have a gap up on both ends. Don't forget that. AVGO, I need to see it around 217 and then I'll take my partial. Marvel is struggling around here. I want to see it above the highs, over the highs. AVGO, come on, man. I need a dollar around 118.29, but we're gonna hope to see it go over 119. So AVGO is holding here. I don't want to see AVGO retrace back. Second 5-minute candle on the market, trying to go lower. Wayfair almost closing the gap. Play, no volume. Meta, meta. Okay, Apple is strong. Boeing, Boeing, another strong stock. It opened flat, came down, and now trying to go higher. Come on, AVGO. If it takes the highs of this candle right here, we're going to take our partial on AVGO. Okay, a little bit more. The high is 217.58. Okay, nice. Okay, took my partial on AVGO. Marvel. Okay, Marvel 2. We're about to get our partial on Marvel 2. I want to see it close to 11850-ish area. AVGO, I'm gonna reduce about 25 shares. Okay, let's wait and see now. Marvel was about 20 cents away from my partial. Market SPY is struggling a little bit. Q's going higher. Second 5 minute candle, working on the second 5 minute candle on the market right here. This is what's going on with the market. Q's are just going higher. SPY struggling at yesterday's kind of mid-range a little bit. Third 5 minute candle trying to go higher, both on SPY and Q's. So, and let's remember that we have a gap underneath. Okay. AVGO, Marvel. About to take my partial on Marvel. Alright, let's go Marvel. Okay, taken here. Took my partial on Marvel. Broadcom, we're gonna get out of it if it comes under here. 213.99. I'm gonna put a stop on Broadcom under 213.99. We've got 26 shares. Stop 213.94. Marvel, I don't like this topping tail here. See, this I don't like. I don't like this topping tail on Marvel. So our entry is 117.29. CLSK, it gapped down, it moved higher, but it never gave us a chance to get in because now it's finding supports at the VWAP area and trying to move higher. But if it comes down here, we might get interested in it. XPEV, I don't know if I missed the trade. This has very low volume, so AVGO. AVGO has found support here. This is another trade here. You can get in here with the market making new highs. SPY seems like SPY is struggling. SPY is struggling. Marvel, if we get here, this is all-time highs. So I'm gonna show you the daily chart on Marvel. Nice, nice, nice. Look at it. So we could get to 119.88 and get rejected, or if we pop out of here, this is also a pretty good chance that it can happen because we're not too far out. We're about $1 out of it, out of the all-time high. So let's wait and see. Wow. The Q's strong candle, a very strong candle. SPY trying to make a new high to both SPY and Q's. Look at this. Well, let's look at the big names. Okay, we're gonna keep going here. Okay. AVGO, I'm about to reduce 16 shares here. Okay, we're inching higher on Marvel. Okay, Marvel, we just got to the all-time highs here. Let's see what happens. We're probably gonna get rejected a little bit. Okay, nice. I like this actually. So if we get rejected here, trying to come up and then go higher, that's gonna be a great trade. Mm, I wish we actually got rejected here on Marvel, because it should have been a little bit of a resistance, but we're about to get 3 points on Marvel. Broadcom, I'm about to get out of my all Broadcom shares. Alright, out of Broadcom, all shares. 3 points, 3 points on Marvel. Alright, let's go ahead and reduce about 26 shares on Marvel. Okay, Marvel trimmed up a little bit. Wow. Market is just ripping. However, big names are not moving that much. Apple moved significantly. Look at Apple. AVGO, there is no stopping it. AVGO broke out off of its all-time highs with this gap today, and look at it. Look at what's going on with AVGO. This was the all-time highs, or we had a significant resistance in this area, and we jumped over it because of earnings, and we gapped way over this area, so it's got no resistance here. Let's see monthly chart. Yep, that's the all-time highs. We're having a great day so far. Now look at Marvel. Obviously, this was a trade. I was pointing at it earlier. I thought I was talking, but I was muted on my mic right here. But high of this candle was a trade. When you see this coming back and going higher, once it took out the high of this green candle, 950 candle, it was a trade with a $1 stop loss. And you would expect it to take the highs, the session high, take it out. Nvidia is setting up pretty good for to the long side. Sellers came in, struggled a little bit. Look at it. It was trending lower. It closed the gap right here. Tried to move higher, move to the view up, retraced a little bit back down, but it made a higher low. Now we made a higher high. So this is a trade. This is a trade. This is a great trade. But now we have a divergent market. I'm not going to take anything here. Look at this. SPY trying to come down towards closing the gap. That's what SPY is doing. And the Qs are moving higher, ripping. So let's see. Well, look at Marvel. Just made a new high, new session high, new all-time high, and now we're ripping a little bit, almost 4 points, about to hit 4 points on Marvel. 121.50 area is gonna be 4 points. We got in at what? 117.29. Yep. 121.30 area, 4 points. We've got 25 shares. This is why you let the runners do their thing. Four points, 4 points, 4 points on Marvel. All right, traders. That's gonna be it for me for today. I'm done trading. I'm gonna call it a day. It's a Friday. Let's have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to the channel. It helps our channel, or it helps my channel, and it also helps other people who want to learn trading or who are struggling actually get the motivation and the inspiration to actually keep going. We all got to keep on doing what we like, and somehow, at some point, we will be able to figure it out. Well, let's go ahead and let's do it. Thanks for watching. You have a lovely rest of your day and weekend. See you on Monday.